Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ExplainerVideoz review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about a software called ExplainerVideoz. So this is an ExplainerVideoz review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 4 minutes and 15 seconds long. So we will start with the demo video, and you can see their dashboard. And by the way, this video has got only a background music, so nobody is talking for 4 minutes. Everything is just working on its own. So I will also shut up, because if they're not explaining, if they are not willing to explain their product, I will not bother either. So watch the video for 4 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, I hope you will understand everything, because they did not care to explain what they were doing or what they are selling. So just watch the video and I'll be right back in 4 minutes. Alright, so the demo video is done, and I hope that you have understood everything and you have seen all the features. So you can get those animated characters and videos, I guess, images, vectors and everything. So they kind of keep selling you the same thing over and over again. They keep selling you the same stuff with a new name. But anyways, they're giving you the coupon code videos 3 to get a $3 discount. So you can buy this in $14 only if you use that coupon code. Okay, and it says on the sales page, world's AI-based explainer videos maker platform at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first AI-based explainer videos character generator platform to create unlimited HQ explainer and animated videos for any niche in just few clicks, plus thousands of pre-made video templates with unique inbuilt video editor. Use and sell unlimited explainer videos to your clients with commercial license. Okay, so this is the only way you could make some money with this theoretically, if you are some freelancer already, and if you create these kind of explainer videos or like tutorial videos for your clients, they come to you and you charge them money for creating these videos, then yes, you can make something out of this, because you will be getting those characters, images, male, female, vectors, sketches and everything. You use them into some animated video tutorial, and that you will sell that video to your clients. Okay, so it does work, but only if you are an established freelancer and you're getting clients back to back. Okay, so it says professional animated explainer videos maker cloud-based platform, generate unlimited unique animated characters for all your projects, 100% AI based platform, inbuilt image to sketch converter tool, you have seen that I guess, extra royalty free assets with no copyrights, get thousands of HD video templates, AI based text to speech converter tool, commercial license included, no limitations, completely free. It's not free, you have to pay for it. Sell unlimited assets, VSLs and videos to earn like the big boys, no special skills or experience required, unlimited one-click download, inbuilt advanced video and image editor if you need it, $200 refund if it does not work for you. Well, the software works, so why will you get the refund? Okay, so yeah, they shouldn't have mentioned it. Anyways, nothing else important on the sales page, because they will be trying to show you proofs here. Now these are fake proofs, by the way. These are fake proofs and testimonials, so don't go after them. And these are again fake fake proofs here, showing money screenshots. Nobody made any money with this. Okay, so it's all fake here. And then you will be seeing some screenshots that they will ask you to become some freelancer, as you can see here. So people do charge money for creating these kind of videos for their clients. Now, will you get those clients? That will be the problem, right? Okay, so proudly presenting explainer video, this and that. Now these are those characters you can see, so they look cool, right? And then you can see some sample videos which you can create using these kind of characters or video templates which you will be getting inside. Again, fake testimonials. And then we have what? Let's get to the bottom to see if we have some questions and answers. Okay, bonuses, and they give certificate to themselves. Do I need experience? No. Do you provide money back guarantee, 30 days, step-by-step training? There's no training, because if they are not willing to explain the demo video for 4 minutes, don't expect that they will be giving you any training inside. How are you different from available tools in the market? Does your software work easily on Mac and Windows? Yes. Do you provide support? They say they do. I'm telling you they don't. So be careful. Okay, now hang on. So here we have the demo video which you have already seen. Okay, come on. And then okay, so I'm sorry about that. Why am I sorry? I was disturbed anyway. Let's talk about the OTOs here. So these are the OTOs. Front end $14 after using the coupon, then OTO 1, 2, 3. More details right here. This is what you will be getting in the front end, all these features. Okay, then OTO 1 will give you this, no watermark. OTO 2 will give you these many features. OTO 3 is this, 4 is this, 5 is this. 5 is white label. Okay, again the pricing is right here, you can see. Now, should you go and buy this? Well, if you are an established freelancer who does this, okay, and you need more characters, you need more assets to create some unique and engaging videos, and you know what you're doing, then yes, you may go and get this. But if you're only a hardcore newbie, for hardcore newbies, this will not make you money. This has got nothing to do with making money. Okay, so don't buy if you're a newbie. Only buy if you can utilize the software in some way, in some form or the other. Okay, now If you want to make money online as a newbie, then you can go below my video, subscribe to the channel first, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, how do you make money, whether you're newbie or experienced? You go and check out these links here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. This forex trading is like currency trading. So you come here and you look at this graph. So we will be installing a software on this graph, and we will give the settings, and that software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. Okay, so we will have to go through the training here, but if you click on the first link, come on this page, enter your email address and name, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you've verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on that page, option 1, option 2. Watch those 2 videos and then you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, now this is completely going to be an autopilot because I will be setting all the system for you, so you do not have to go through any training now, because you will be working on profit sharing basis. Okay, so you will be keeping 70% profits every week, and I will be keeping 30% profits every week. So to know all the details, get into this, go through the videos on the sales page, and then if you have any questions, you will be able to contact me on Skype. Okay, and second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. It will help you to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, get your YouTube channel monetized, and make these videos, do reviews, or make money on YouTube without even selling anything. Because when I am recording this YouTube video, whether you buy something from me or not in this video has made some money for me already, because you have seen some advertisements in this video. Okay, so when your channel will be monetized, you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything. And to do that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. Okay, the difference between the first and the second option is that the first option, forex trading, is completely autopilot, but this Traffic Jarvis working on YouTube is completely manual. Okay, so in the end here, ExplainerVideoz is only going to help you if you are already making money and you need some extra assets to use in your ExplainerVideoz. Then go and get the software. If you're a newbie, do not buy. It will help you with nothing, especially with not making money. Okay, as a newbie, don't buy this. As a newbie, if you want to make money online, go below the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, check out this forex thingy on automation. If you don't want to work, or if you want to work like me on YouTube, then try Traffic Jarvis. Check out these links. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action. because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.